and welcome to another junk journal with me. We are using today's junk journal January prompt recreate a spread. I'm kind of cheating on this one a little bit because I'm not actually recreating a spread that I've already done because I don't really enjoy doing things over, but I'm doing another collage, so I thought maybe I could just, if you if you're willing to accept that, then I'm creating another collage. So yeah, I'm just gonna make that count. I hope it's okay with you. I just needed another excuse to do another collage. So I have chosen to do another more neutral background this time, like I've done at the beginning when I started doing my collages in this book. And I'm just using some scrap papers I had of book pages and other neutral pages I had. And while I'm doing that, I'd like to just say something about the page you see on the left hand side, which I never made a video of because that was the last one I did on our short trip to Istanbul. I made that on the last day. I didn't have much time, I didn't have much supplies, but I wanted to do something anyway. And so for this background, for the watercolor, I didn't even have my aqua brush with me. I did take my watercolors, but I forgot my brush. So I decided to think a little bit outside the box, so I just took a Q-tip and had a glass of water and just used the watercolors like that, and I love it. And I love it even more because I had to, do something that I wouldn't have done normally, and it just makes me smile because it works just as well. And so you just got to be inventive. And then I just had some stamps and I just doodled over it. So yeah, it's nothing special, but it makes me smile. So for this spread, I decided to go with some neutral cutouts that I had, and as you can see, they're all of like bones and skulls of animals, which might seem a bit weird, but I really enjoy these images because I love the color tones, and I love seeing that sounds a bit weird, the construction of the animal. And the idea was to add some flower images behind them. So I had these little cutouts from another book that I had recently found, and I had completely cut up, so I can't even show you the book. But then I was trying them, and I didn't think that really worked because I had the feeling you couldn't even see the skulls anymore after putting them on the flowers. So I tried some other flower images I had in this flower illustration book that I love so much, and I had the same issue, so that wasn't going to work. But I wanted to make these images stand out, so I wanted a colorful, a little more colorful background for them. So I once again went for my stamp collection, and I first wanted to see what it would look like adding some more neutral colors, but that didn't work at all. So then I went to my flowers, which is what I wanted to do in the first place, to add flowers. So I'm going through these, and I'm actually loving the way that looks. So I tried to find some more floral stamps that have like these soft pastel tones because I just love those. I don't know, they just make me so happy, those kind of colors, the pinks and pastel colors in general. So I'm just kind of trying to spread those out over the page. Sticking to flowers. And I think those colors go well with the other side of the spread as well. that's all I choose. Yeah. So now I'm just going to, oh no, first I do the washi. So I did add some washi for this as well. So I went to my washi collection and I just chose various tones of pink that would go with this, just to add a little bit more color and interest to the background. I'm so happy with my washi collection. I'm so happy it's not bigger, and I am determined to use up some of these washi rolls. It is not easy, as I think you know, but that's my mission this year, use up some washi so I can buy new ones, of course. There's just so many pretty ones out there. So now I'm just rearranging it a little more, and I'm gonna see where I can put the washi. And I think I'm gonna put it sort of behind the stamps mostly. So I hope you're not sick of collages yet. I'm surprised I'm not sick of them yet, because I don't tend to keep doing one thing for a long time, but I'm surprised. I don't know how many I've done now, maybe 6 or so, and I'm still enjoying it so much. The only thing I don't really enjoy about these collages is the gluing part, because yeah, it's just tedious, and with all the layering it's kind of difficult, but it's worth it in the end if you like your spread, I guess. So now I'm just seeing where I could, where it could use a little more pop of color underneath to make the images stand out more. I can't believe we're on January 29th already. The challenge is almost over. Oh my gosh. What am I gonna do in February? I don't know yet. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to keep putting up a video every day. I might go to every second day, just because I also need to concentrate on some other things, like my studies a bit more. I am currently doing a teaching course, and that's gonna take 5 months, and then I'll do another course, but I'm not sure which one that will be yet. So this year I am at home. I've stopped working as of January, and I'm taking courses, concentrating on that. I'm also doing an art therapy course, which is pretty cool, and I'm doing workshops on this side. I'm trying to expand those as well to do more, but I'm really loving it so much, and I have no idea what I'll be doing as of next year. I'm just hoping that this year will kind of just lead me to whatever happens next. I'm gonna trust my journey and see where it takes me, and do my best not to stress out about not knowing what will happen. It's a new situation in my life. I've been having full-time jobs all my life until December, so it is quite a change for me to be in this situation now, but I'm loving it so much. So now to finish up the spread, I just added this Tim Holtz Inspire sticker, and that's it. So hope you like this. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in the next video tomorrow. Bye guys.